DoorDash drivers can have unpredictable income because earnings change based on deliveries, tips, and demand. So the best cash advance app depends on how it handles gig worker income. By the end, you'll know what to compare when choosing a cash advance app as a DoorDash driver, including income verification, fees, repayment, and access options. The first thing to check is how the app verifies your income. DoorDash drivers usually do not receive a traditional paycheck, so the app needs a way to understand your earnings activity before offering access to money. Many cash advance apps connect to financial accounts to review transaction history. Before signing up, check what accounts the app requires and understand what information you are sharing. The second factor is cost. A cash advance may include fees, optional charges, or subscription costs depending on the service. The amount you receive is only one part of the decision because the repayment amount determines the real cost. The third factor is repayment timing. DoorDash income can vary from week to week, so choose a service that clearly explains when repayment happens and how money is collected. Apps like MoneyLion and Instacash, Dave, Bridget, Clover, and Earnin are often compared by people looking for short-term access to cash. Each service has different requirements, features, and pricing structures, so compare the details instead of choosing based only on speed. For DoorDash drivers, another useful step is tracking delivery income separately from expenses. Fuel, vehicle maintenance, and other driving costs can affect how much money is actually available after each payout. A cash advance app can help cover a short-term gap between expenses and incoming delivery income, but it should fit your budget and repayment schedule. Before choosing an app, check 3 things: how it verifies your DoorDash income, what fees apply, and how repayment works. Those details usually matter more than the app name. If you drive for DoorDash and need flexible access to money, compare several options before accepting an advance. Understanding the terms first helps you avoid surprises later. If this comparison helped you understand what to look for in cash advance apps, like the video and subscribe for more practical money comparisons.